In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code to header on Squarespace. If you need to place a script, tracking code, verification tag, or any other custom snippet into your Squarespace site's header, this process is actually very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to edit. Once you're inside the site dashboard, go to the main menu and click on Pages. This is where Squarespace shows your page list and several important site settings, so if you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry, you're in the right place. On the page list screen, scroll down carefully. Below the main pages and navigation sections, you'll find an area related to website settings and advanced options. In this section, you should see Custom Code. This is the area Squarespace uses for code that affects your site more broadly, rather than just one individual page. Click on Code Injection. This opens the code injection settings where Squarespace gives you separate fields for different parts of your website. The one we're focusing on in this video is the header section. This section is specifically meant for code that needs to load inside the header of your site. Now take the custom code snippet you want to use and paste it into the header box. Make sure you paste the full code exactly as provided without changing any characters, spacing, or symbols unless you specifically know it needs editing. Even a small mistake in custom code can cause it to fail or behave unexpectedly, so it's a good idea to double-check it before saving. After pasting the code into the header area, your setup is essentially done. If your Squarespace version shows a Save button, click Save to apply the change. Once that's completed, the code will be added to your site's header. As a quick tip, if you're adding tracking or verification code, it may not show any visible change on the front end of your website right away, and that's completely normal. Some code works behind the scenes, so the best next step is usually to test it using the relevant tool or service. And that's it. That's how to add custom code to the header on Squarespace. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to do it in just a minute or two.